Hi, I'm Datin Henira from RP Design in Malaysia. I'm here today to cook for the cause of charity and the event. I'm so grateful I was being invited by the CSR Malaysia and the food egg, and thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
And thank you to CSR Malaysia for organizing this event, and particularly this place is to cook for the homeless and the needy, and also what they have here is they supply to those needy who needs food on a daily basis, from the old folks home to the children's home to the homeless and to a lot more people. So it's a fantastic project over here that they are doing, and the work that they are doing is just amazing.
This is happiness!
What time do we have to distribute? Turmeric actually gives more color to it. I'm obviously very thankful for giving me this opportunity because it's been a very humbling experience for me. Knowing that the food I've cooked today means so much for the people which it's getting distributed to. So I really feel Really humbled to have played that part in this big thing that you are doing towards the humanity in general. Thank you so much.